SmallRig ZV-E1 cage. Let's talk. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, like, subscribe down below. After this video, I'm doing a whole series on buying a Jeep or buying a car in general, but it needs to be a Jeep Wrangler. If you're interested in that, subscribe, and those are coming. Right. You have a ZV-E1 and you're looking to add things to it. ZV-E1 by itself doesn't have too many options to go ahead and add things to, so you need to basically find yourself a cage like this. SmallRig is a great company that produces cages like this. It's hard to go wrong with these guys, but let's take a look at this one and see if it's right for you. This is a SmallRig cage for my A7 IV, just to show you the size difference between these two. It doesn't have a grip on it, which this one has a grip, which is new to me at least. The grip, rubberized texture, nice, easy to hold in your hand, gives a good grip to this camera. Now you're saying, hey, I bought the ZV-E1 to be a small, compact filming extravaganza, and you're adding things to it, making it as big as the A7 IV or the old A7S III. Well, not really. If you add stuff to those cameras, it does get bigger too. So we all have a starting point. Plus, if you're going to add things like a monitor, a light, something like that to these cameras, you're already going to make it bigger. So that's not the point. Now you want to make sure you have a good hold of it, so if you're moving around, you don't drop it. And the grip on the ZV-E1, it's okay, but it's not, if I had more weight to this, I would be nervous walking around just holding the camera like this. So this allows to get your fingers in there and have a better grip, like that, better grip along the way. Good firm grip. So I do like this grip a lot. So it has all your different screw mounts or screw ports along the top and the sides and underneath. And underneath they have different style of connections, and I will put on the screen a list of those. Of course, it has access to the battery door, no problem there. You can get it right open. On the side here, you have access to your SD card. No problem with that. No problem with still getting a hold of your hot shoe if you want to add your Sony microphone. It does have cold shoes left and right. And then it has this cable, your HDMI mini cable. So if you have this with a monitor and you're moving around, these ports are known to fail if you kind of move around too much and you kind of break them. So this helps out a lot. Secure your cable to the cage. That way, if you pull it, yank it, this little guy here is going to help out and make sure it doesn't move around too much. When you first get the camera, and you're going to go ahead and try to slide it in. When I first did it, it wouldn't fit. I'm like, all right, something's wrong here. There are these two little areas right here on the side. This little guy here and that little guy there. They're kind of rest on top of the mounts where you put your straps. They hit right when you try to slide it in. You have to use this tool right here, which is located underneath the cage. It kind of slides in just like that, so you have it when you need it. You unscrew these, unscrew those. Now the directions say take them off completely and then put your camera in, put it back on. I just loosen them up really well, allow me to move that bar down, slide the camera in, move the bar back up, and then tighten down with the end of this thing. All good to go there. And then this helps screw the bottom quarter screw into the camera itself. The grip does come off. So inside the box, you get, of course, the cage itself, and you get an L wrench. This is not for the side pieces. This is just to take the grip off. Let's try to do it. Then you want to loosen up the side just a little bit because they do kind of lock in from there. So make sure I don't get dust on my lens. But here is, I added, this is my little Peak Design thing here, so that doesn't come with it. It's got a nice rubber pad in the bottom to protect your camera. But these two screws right here are what you hit with the L wrench to remove the grip on the side if you want to get rid of that. Yep, all right, that's it. The SmallRig ZV-E1 cage kit from SmallRig. Check it out. Links down below. All right. Let's go.